It's summertime and I really needed to make over my fire pit. This pit was several years old and it had begun to show its age. There were no holes, but there was a lot of rust and some dings and dents. I began by sanding off the rust using a heavy grit sanding sponge. These sponges are perfect because you can get in all the nooks and crannies all around the pit. The top mesh was really dented, so I fixed that by gently pushing the mesh back into shape. I used steel wool to remove the rust from the mesh. Once everything was sanded, I washed each piece with plain water. When the pieces were dry, I sprayed them with high heat spray paint. It's really important to use spray paint that says high heat on the can, otherwise your fire pit will catch on fire. Once the fire pit was completed, I needed a space to put the pit on, so I created a little patio. Using 18 by 18 inch landscape blocks, I laid them where I wanted the patio to be and then dug around them. I then removed the blocks and removed the top layer of grass. The patio was on a little slope, so I had to dig it out to make it even. Once the ground was dug out, I added a layer of stone. I raked it even and then tamped it down and made sure everything was level. Once everything was level, I laid the blocks back on top. I continued to check for level after each block was laid, and I added stone under the block if necessary. To finish the patio, I used decorative stone around the edge, which I had left over from another project. Now the pit was ready for some summer fun, which of course means s'mores. I hope this inspires you to create a little space outside your home where you can enjoy being outside all summer long.